Yes, let me turn this off. Or you want to show me? Here. All right, tell you what. Do this. I can put this on ATMakers.
On where?
It's a charity I run.
Oh, okay.
Here.
Am I live?
No.
Oh.
But you'll be recorded. How about that?
I will be recorded. Okay, all right.
So give me the short version.
Hi.
JACO Arm.
This is a JACO robotic arm. It's controlled through the joystick, so it's attached directly to the chair.
And it's got hand leg gripping. And
Yes. People use it for eating, drinking, opening doors, picking things up from the floor, flossing their teeth. A lot of different possibilities out there. There we go. You go up and down.
Excellent.
Switch a light bulb out.
Quiet.
It is very quiet. Yeah, you can barely hear it. Yes, it is. It takes very little power at all.
Okay.
It's better than a claw machine. And so right now I'm controlling it through the joystick. You can control it through
the
electronics. Yep. Yep. People with sip and puff, head array, foot control, chain control can use it too.
So it's a programmable.
This is a programmable chair. Yep. It can connect to a quantum chair, Invaco chair, sunrise quickie.
It's the same standard.
Yes. All right. There we go.
And does this spin?
Spins 360 degrees.
Going.
Yep. It keeps going until you stop.
That's pretty cool. So is there any feedback to you, or like sound or anything when you've grasped it?
No, it does not. Yeah, but it's a nice firm handshake. You want to put your hand in there.
Sure. I trust you.
You feel it? That's about 3.5 pound pressure.
Right. And it stopped.
Yep, it stopped. Yep, it stopped automatically once you put your hand in there.
It felt like you'd be able to hold things. That's
right. Yeah.
Cool.
It can squeeze glass and egg. It's not going to break anything at all.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
It is. It is.
And it'll mount to any of the standard rails.
Yes. Yes. Right onto the chair. And this is. Hey, is the lift arm working? Yeah. Okay.
I'm glad to see any AT here. There's not enough AT at AOTA.
So the left arm can go all the way down.
Gotcha.
Hold on.
So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 degrees. Six degrees of freedom.
So we can customize it to where it tucks underneath the armrest, so it hides the leg.
So when you're going into a wheelchair, like a wheelchair accessible van, it doesn't take up much more room.
Right. Yeah.
Right?
Yep. We customize it to wherever it best fit the client.
Any tips for getting it funded?
Yeah, so it's been funded by insurance and Medicaid. Medicare will not fund it. We do have a family advocate who helps assist with the appeal process and help advocate for the client, and also provide resources too.
Very cool. Well, thank you.